Okay, I just cleaned my reptile room and my animal room, and I got a request to make an update, so here it is. First I have my garbage can, some cages, traveling cages and stuff. Those are my conures. Let them out so they stop squawking. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on. That's Duke. He's a blue crown conure. And Chico is a Nande conure. Yes, we know. Thank you. So they're set up. First we have my crested gecko. He's in a 5.5 gallon. With Eco Earth, moss, and fake plants. There's a paper towel over it to hold it, or a rag over it to hold in the humidity. Next we have, on top, we have my hognose snake, western hognose male, and he shares the heat light with my 2 leopard geckos. 1 minute, I'm just going to feed my conure so he stops chirping. Look. Here. One for you. One for you. Here, look. Okay, they're in there. So go eat them and be quiet. Okay, these are my super hypo tangerine carrot tail leopard geckos. And they share the heat light with my hognose. Then in a 20 gallon, I have my 2 redfoots. Then on my rack, I have my plants on the top, then storage, and then my Russian, and my Greek, baby chickens, chinchilla, turtle pond, more larger chickens, these are Americanos, children's python, ball python, hedgehog.